Hello YouTubers, welcome back to our Flutter Weekly series. Today we are going to learn how to use typography in Flutter application. Let us dive in. GF typography defines the different sizes of the texts in the application varying from type 1 to type 6. Here is the diagram shows all different sizes of the texts you can use in Flutter. If you ever work with HTML you will find these texts looking similar. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Great. Coding session. Let us now implement by coding example using this package. Create new Flutter project by using Flutter CLI tool as shown here. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Source codes for this demo is on description, have a look. Now let us run our application on emulator. Source codes for this demo is on description, have a look. Source codes for this demo is on description, have a look. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I hope you learned something new today. Subscribe for more videos like this. Links on description. Happy learning.